What is up, everybody? Joe Everest, the fence expert. We are well into storm season. For example, the Springfield, Missouri area just had a few minor tornadoes come through last night. We're day 2 of no power. So it seemed like a timely time to talk to you guys about what to do with your fence if and when a storm rolls through. All right, first and foremost, be safe. Keep an eye out for downed power lines. Unless you know exactly what you're looking at, a downed power line can look a lot like a communications cable and vice versa. Don't move anything assuming that it's a communications cable, because it very well could be a power line. Be safe first and foremost. Second, document everything. Photos and videos of all the damage before repairs start being made are crucial to helping you explain the situation to an adjuster who stops by at a later date. Like I said, photos and pictures of all the damage, the surrounding area, and detailed shots of exactly what's broken, how it was broken, the extent of the damage. Obviously, the third step would be removing said trees, brush, etc. from the fence. You need to be very careful with this. A lot of people are hurt in the United States each year from trying to trim trees that have unsprung tension and pressure. You cut a limb and the rest of the tree has that unsprung pressure and you end up getting hurt. If you don't feel absolutely comfortable, call a professional contractor. Next, you can perform temporary repairs as needed. Chain Link does a wonderful job of filling holes, and not only chain link fence, but wood fence, ornamental iron, and it's available pretty readily from all of the big box stores. All the professional fence companies carry it, generally in stock. Making temporary repairs keeps your furry family home and keeps other people's furry family out of your yard. And finally, after the adjuster's been out, notated all the damage, they've seen the evidence that you've collected in step 2, and they're fully comfortable with the extent of the damage, or at least appraising the damage, then perform the repairs. And as always, if you don't feel absolutely comfortable for performing the repairs yourself, contact a professional. If you've got damage and you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out however I can. For now, Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.